Can I explain making ramen in 2 minutes? In 2 minutes? Well, I don't know. Let's see. So ramen starts with the noodles, of course, and so you need a pot of noodles boiling over here. As you know, I like to use just plain old spaghetti. Different brands have different consistencies, but there are some that are very close to a ramen noodle, much easier to source. The broth is super important, and there's one or two things you need in here. One of them, of course, soy sauce. Another one, miso. But that's not it. You really need bacon fat or pork fat. You know, I use bacon usually. There's going to be onion. There's going to be some kind of fish seasoning or mushroom. We're going mushroom here. And this will be the broth, but it isn't yet because it hasn't finished cooking. What we're going to do is right before we finish up the noodles, we're going to drop this finely sliced vegetable in, to put that in. We've got some tomatoes and peppers as a garnish kind of on top. Fresh, uncooked. You could cook these. And then what we're going to do is heat this up until it fries a little bit and this starts to caramelize. Then pour in some broth. And then this is pre-cooked meat, right? It's been sliced, it's just from the fridge, and so this will just let soften up. This is high in fat, this will be great in the ramen. Is this authentic? No, it is not. But you can cook this with leftovers from your fridge very quickly. Miso has a lot of beneficial microorganisms in it, so I like to mix mine up separately in some warm water and add this at the end. We're just going to build up this broth slowly using the pasta water, which will allow it to thicken a little bit. And let's not forget one more ingredient, a little bit of mirin or sake. Just flavor here. I don't have very much of this left. I must have drunk it all. That's a generous pour, but this is for 3 people. If you like this video, like, subscribe, let me know in the comments below what you think. Okay, sure. If you don't spend hours on this, this won't be quite as good as out of the restaurant, but if you get the basics right, this will taste amazing.